All right, so the number one drywall mistake that I see homeowners or inexperienced drywallers make is over applying the joint compound. So they're just putting on too much joint compound per coat, which results in having to sand between coats. And really you shouldn't need to sand at all until the final coat is dry. And then you do your sanding and you're done. If you need to sand in between coats, you're putting on too much mud. The very minimum that you would need to do between coats is take your knife and knock down any ridges or crumbs that you left behind. And that can easily be done with a 6-inch knife, just going around and knock down those high spots, and then you're ready to put your next coat on. One of the biggest problems that occurs when you have to sand in between coats is you're not only sanding the joint compound, but you're also partially sanding the paper on the sheetrock around it, which damages the paper, naps it up, and then when you paint it, it's like 80 grit sandpaper. It's really rough and creates a texture difference too, which causes the joint compound, the joints, to stand out from the uncoated surface of the drywall. Try to avoid sanding at all until the final coat is dry. And this can all be achieved if you don't over apply the mud in the first place.